That's my president. All right. Yes. Okay. Let me do that. You were Thank you very much. Nigeria have been duly conferred, declared that I will at all times faithfully serve the interests of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, the capacity of Senior Advocate of Nigeria, and all the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, as amended, that I will, to the best of all the dignity of the rank of Senior Advocate of Nigeria, so help me God. Thank you, Jam.
Congratulations.
Your Excellencies, former governors of
in the same vein, hold the judiciary alongside other arms of government.
The new seal and the National Industrial the President of the as the chairman of the Legal Practitioners Privileges Committee, we declare the indulgence of my report published in 1885. Those three principles, I think we all understand ordinary affairs. And own various taking orders, adopt the rule of traveling long distances and enduring long hours, judges who daily, thanklessly, but doggedly, they assist the group. We appreciate you for your time. Shortly, the court will rise.
Excellence Koya for
Outside. Do we need outside?
Do you have cutaways of inside the court? So you can end the story.
Yes, as they are dispersing, I have.
When they rose.
See, yes, I get it when they rose. It's really an interview outside.
No, don't this one in case of any.